In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar's dark mode on the web. Many of us sit in front of our screens for extended periods, and tackling the harsh white background can strain our eyes. Using dark mode not only alleviates this discomfort, but can also enhance readability in low light conditions, making late night planning a bit easier. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your preferred internet browser and navigate to the Google Calendar website. Simply type Google Calendar into the search bar and press Enter. Once the search results load, click on the first link labeled Google Calendar. This will direct you to the Google Calendar homepage. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to access your Google account. You'll see a page requesting you to input your credentials. Begin by typing in your email address in the designated field. Once you've done this, click the Next button to proceed. Following that, you'll be prompted to enter your password. For security reasons, ensure your password is correct and confidential. After you've entered your password, click Next once more. Now that you're logged into your Google Calendar, the next step is to activate dark mode. To get started, look towards the top right corner of the screen and find the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Click on this icon to open the settings menu. You'll notice a list of options on the left side of the screen under the settings tab. From this list, select Appearance. This is where you will find theme options. Within the Appearance section, you'll see various display settings. To enhance your viewing comfort, click on the Dark Theme option. Selecting this setting will immediately switch your calendar's background to a darker hue, reducing the amount of blue light emitted by your screen. This change should take effect instantly, and you'll notice that all calendar entries, menus, and text are now displayed in this new theme, designed for better viewing in dim environments. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Click on the Done button, often found towards the top right area of your settings page. Doing so will ensure that the changes you just made are applied and you're all set. You can now browse your calendar in dark mode, providing a more comfortable experience for your eyes, especially during those late night Zoom meetings or when you're burning the midnight oil planning your week. And there you have it! You've successfully enabled dark mode on your Google Calendar. Enjoy the new visually soothing interface, and thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your digital life easier.